Hey guys, welcome to Pen Industry. Hope you are doing good. I am Dr. Ayshwarya with you for easy learning and better understanding. Don't forget to subscribe, like and press the bell icon for the latest upcoming videos. Today the topic is production of X-rays, how the X-rays are produced in the tube head. So first what you are going to do, you are going to plug your machine in the electric socket and you are going to on the button. Now the current enters via plug. Current going to enter via plug and it comes into the filament here. The current is directed in the filament circuit through step down transformer. The current is directed in the circuit. Via what? Via step down transformer. It reduces the electron cloud around the cathode. This is the part of going to do. It will going to reduce the electron cloud. The step down transformer will decrease the voltage and it is going to decrease the electron clouds around the cathode. Okay. High voltage current is activated. The high voltage current is accelerated. Now what is going to happen? So here the voltage is low, but the current is high. So high voltage current is activated and the electron clouds is accelerated in the X-ray tube from negative to positive. The electron clouds are travel from negative to the positive part. The electron directed from the negative to the positive part. The electron is going to direct in this manner and it is going to hit the focal spot. This is the focal spot. Before I have told you about this in my video. This is the target point. It is going to hit the target point. It is going to strike it. When the electron strike on this, their kinetic energy is converted into X-rays. The kinetic energy which this plate is having before, that kinetic energy is converted into X-rays. Around 99% of the electrons or the rays are lost as heat. The electrons which have traveled from negative part to positive part, around 99% they get lost. They loses because not every electron is going to bombard or strike on the target point. Only 1% get targeted on this point and rest 99% is lost as a heat. The heat is carried by the copper stamp. This one is the copper stamp behind the target point. This is so it is going to absorb the heat and it is going to release the heat in the insulating oil. This surrounding part is carried by oil. X-ray is controlled by the lead collimator. As I have given this lecture before on lead collimator. So now you understood. We will going to on the switch. The current will going to pass in this. The step down transformer will reduce the electron cloud here. And due to the high voltage current is activated, the electron cloud is accelerated and it is going to travel from negative to positive part. It is going to strike on the focal spot and the X-rays are produced from here. The kinetic energy is converted into X-rays energy to form a X-ray. Understood the lecture? Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest upcoming videos. Thank you for watching Pen Dentistry. To know more about me, links are in description box. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest videos.